In this video, I will show you how to log into NFL Sunday Ticket without using YouTube TV. Let's get started. Instead of opening YouTube TV, just head to the regular YouTube app on a phone, tablet, or smart TV. Or you can also navigate to the youtube.com in your browser. Make sure you are signed in with the same Google account you used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket. This is super important, otherwise you won't see your subscription. In the YouTube search bar, type NFL Sunday Ticket. You will see the dedicated hub for Sunday Ticket where all the live games and replays are listed. Click or tap on the game you want to watch, and since your account already has an active subscription, you will get instant access, no YouTube TV required. You can even set reminders or add games to your library for quick access. And that's it. That's how to log into NFL Sunday Ticket without YouTube TV. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.